Most people don't fail at investing because they're bad with money. They fail because investing feels complicated, time-consuming, and overwhelming. When life gets busy, investing becomes something they plan to do later, and later turns into never. This five-step system is designed for people who want to invest properly without watching markets every day or stressing over decisions. Step one is setting a clear investing purpose. Before choosing any investment, you need to know why you're investing. Is it for long-term growth, future security, or financial independence? When the purpose is clear, decisions become easier and emotional reactions decrease. Step two is deciding how much you can invest consistently, not the maximum you can afford in a good month, the amount you can commit to even in a bad one. Consistency matters more than size. A small amount invested regularly beats a large amount invested occasionally. Step three is choosing simple, diversified investments. Complexity doesn't equal better results. Simple, diversified assets spread risk and reduce the chances of major mistakes. The goal is to participate in growth, not to outsmart the market. Step four is automating the entire process. Automation removes emotion and decision fatigue. When investments happen automatically, you don't rely on motivation or perfect timing. The system works quietly in the background while you focus on your life. Step five is reviewing, not reacting. Once or twice a year is enough. Reviewing helps you stay aligned with your goals. Reacting to short-term movements usually leads to poor decisions. Long-term success comes from staying calm and consistent. This system works because it respects reality. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need constant attention. You just need a structure that runs even when motivation is low. Investing shouldn't feel stressful. When the system is simple, investing becomes a habit, and habits are what build wealth over time. The best investing system is the one you can stick with for years, and this one is designed to do exactly that.